Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the foundation double crochet. This is a really easy technique that allows you to create your starting chain and your first row of double crochets at the same time. That means no more fighting with long twisty chains, which is perfect for larger projects like blankets. I use this all the time and I think you're going to really like it, so let's get started. We'll begin with a slip knot on our hook and then we'll chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to work into this first chain that we made down here. So that's the third chain from our hook. And because we're doing a foundation double crochet, we need to yarn over for our double crochet. Then we'll insert our hook into that first chain. Then yarn over and pull up a loop. And now we need to do a chain 1. So we're just going to yarn over and pull through the first loop on our hook. So we've created a chain stitch right here. Then we're going to complete the double crochet as we normally would. So yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And that is your first foundation double crochet complete. Moving on to our second foundation double crochet, we need to again start with a yarn over. Then we're going to find the chain stitch that we did on the previous stitch, which is right here. And we're going to insert our hook into that chain. Then, just as before, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then create our chain 1 by yarning over and pulling through 1. And then complete our double crochet by yarning over and pulling through 2 loops twice. So we've now got 2 foundation double crochets done. We've got this one here, and then this one that we've just done. And to continue working our foundation double crochets, we're just going to repeat those steps. So start with a yarn over, insert your hook into the chain you made for the previous stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, create your chain 1 by yarning over and pulling through 1, and then complete your double crochet by yarning over and pulling through 2 loops twice. So you can continue repeating those steps until you have enough stitches for whatever project you're working on. This technique might seem a little bit confusing at first, it's got quite a few steps, but after a bit of practice you'll really get into the rhythm of it. And down in the description I will link to a blog post with the written instructions for this technique, so if you need to refer to that you can do. But once you've finished all of the stitches that you need to do and you're ready to get started on your second row, you can do that really easy by creating a turning chain, turning your work, and then you can just work into the top of these stitches just here. You can see they look exactly like normal double crochets. If you have any questions about this technique, let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in the next one.